why our D2C ads aren't working and how to fix them. Hi, I'm Huzefa and I'm the founder of Seevo. Over the years, I've created countless of ads for our products, some that have worked amazingly and others that are flopped. D2C ads are tricky because the smallest details can make or break your campaign. In this video, I'll share top mistakes that I've learned and seen others make and how you can fix them to start driving real results. Whether it's grabbing attention, crafting the right message, or creating urgency, these tips are based on what works for us at Seevo and can work for you too. Problem 1. Weak hooks. Let's start with the first and most common mistake, weak hooks. The first 3 seconds of your ad are everything. If you don't grab the attention instantly, your audience scrolls past. For one of our early mattress product ads, we started with a generic product shot and it bombed. Then we tested a hook with a relatable problem, water spilling on the bed and the protector repelling it instantly. That changed and doubled our click-through rate. Another example is our satin pillow cover. Instead of a simple static image, we show hair gliding across the smooth fabric with the caption, "Wake up to smoother hair." Spend 80% of your time on the first 3 seconds, it makes all the difference. Start with an action statement or a bold point or a question that speaks directly to your customer's pain points. For example, struggling with messy hair, upgrade your comfort today. Remember, your hook is your chance to stop the scroll, make it count. Problem 2, misaligned benefits. The second mistake I see all the time is focusing on features instead of benefits. People don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. For example, when we marketed our satin pillow cover, saying 100% polyester satin didn't mean anything to our customers. Instead, we emphasized wake up with smoother hair and glowing skin. That's what they care about. For our cuddle pillow, we tested ads saying it was extra soft. They underperformed. But when we shifted to supports better posture for deeper sleep, our engagement skyrocketed. Think about the transformation your product offers instead of listing the features first. Frame them as benefits that improve your customer's life. Here's a formula that works. Start with the pain point. Struggling with a stiff neck, show the benefit. Our cuddle pillow supports posture so you can wake up pain-free. Problem number 3, no urgency. The third mistake, no urgency. If your ad doesn't give people a reason to act now, then move on. In one of our cuddle pillow campaigns, we added a countdown timer. 50% off ends tonight. This simple tweak increased the sale by 20%. For the mattress protector, we tested a low stock message, only 3 left in stock. It creates FOMO and push customers to purchase immediately. Add urgency with these proven tactics. Limited time offer ends tonight, low stock warnings, only 5 left, or countdown timers, deal ends in 2 hours. Urgency works because it focuses on people to decide now instead of putting it off. Bonus tip, use social proof. Here's an additional tip that often is overlooked, social proof. People trust other people's opinions. That's why reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content work so well. For our satin pillow covers, we showed a customer review. These pillowcases transform my hair, no frizz, and better sleep, paired with a simple smiling photo of a customer. For the mattress protector, we displayed a 4.9 out of 5 stars rating on the creative itself. That's a subtle addition gave the customers a confidence in their purchase. Incorporate social proof directly into your ads. Overlay reviews and ratings on your creative. Use real-life UGC or testimonials to show happy customers. Show stats like tested by 10,000 plus customers and more. So the recap, here are the 3 biggest mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1, grab attention in the first 3 seconds with bold hooks. Number 2, focus on benefits, not features. Number 3, add urgency to push people to act now. And don't forget the bonus tip, leverage social proof to build trust and credibility. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos where I dive deeper into ad strategies for D2C success. Let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you're facing with ads and I'll cover it in the upcoming video. Thank you.